Do you want to edit your videos on your mobile without using computer? Hello friends, my name is Yasin Azimi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I have another awesome video editing trick for you. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you edit your videos on your mobile without using computer and add some effects, overlays, adding some text, adding themes, music and etc. So stay tuned, watch this video step by step up to the end, because by the end of this video you will be a professional video editor on your mobile. So let's get started. Hey, if this is the first time you are visiting my YouTube channel and wanna get new tricks, so make sure you hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It's totally free, you can subscribe right now and you will get more new tech and internet tricks every day. I hope you guys will do it, right? Friends, this application is available for both Android and iOS. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So friends, in the beginning just go to the Play Store and download this application, Filmora. So I have already downloaded this one, then open this application. Then you will see this interface. So for creating a new file, just click on this one, plus sign. Then in here I have some videos, so I want to import that one. Suppose that I want to import this one, so just click on the video. Then in here you will get the option of add, so just add the video. You can see that the first video is added, then go back, add another one, then click in here, add, then go back, add another one. So I want to add this one also, then click in here, add. Then you can see that you have 3 videos in here. So then click in here, next, and it is processing the file, so it will make it a single video, then we can edit that one. So just wait for a while for processing of this one. Yeah, around 50%. So it is getting done and it's combining 3 videos. Yes, it is done. Then friends, in here you can see that you have 3 videos, the first one, the second one and the third one. So you can see different themes, musics and transitions, crop. So I will explain all of them. So the first one, whenever you wanna make a YouTube video, so the very first thing, that is the ratio of the video or the size of that one. So the size of all of the YouTube videos should be 16:9. If you want to make videos for Instagram or Facebook, in here you can change that one to 1:1, but we are making videos for YouTube, so just change this one to 16:9. So now it is okay, I want it to be like this. Then after that just click on any of the video. Suppose that you want to edit this one, so just click in here, click on this video. So in here you will see many options, including voiceover, crop, trim, adding pictures, overlays, elements, increasing the speed, whatever you want. Now I will explain all of them one by one for you. So the very first thing is this one. If you want to trim the video, so just click on this one. Suppose that I don't want the beginning part, just I want to have this part only. So I want to trim the last part as well as the beginning part. So I want to have only this part. So you can trim this one. Suppose that you are making the video and you are making some mistakes, so you can just remove those parts. So then after that there is an option of reverse, that you can reverse this one. It means it will play the video from the end right to the beginning. So then I am cropping, or I'm trimming only this portion. So I wanted, yeah, this portion. Then click in here, okay. Now you can see that I have trimmed only 7 seconds of this video. Then the second option is in here, crop, that you can just change the size of this one. Suppose that I want to zoom in, so just you can select, suppose that you want this much, so you can crop this one. Suppose that you want only this much of this video, so you can crop also. Then click in here, okay. Now if you play this video, now you can see that I have only this size of that one. Then after that, the next thing is subtitle. if you click on here, you can add text, whatever you want. Just write anything that you want. Suppose that I want to add this text, so just click on the text. Suppose that I want to write in here or whatever you want, making videos. Suppose that I want to write making video, yeah, so I wrote it, then click in here, okay. Then you can increase the size, you can make it small, so I am increasing the size of this one, so this much is enough. And in here you will see different options, effects that you can apply to this one. Suppose that you want it to be like this. Now you can see the animation of this text. In here many things are given, you can just select any of them that you want, so then you can check all of them. So suppose that I want it to be this one, this one might be good, yeah, so I want this one. In here you can adjust the timing also, that you want it to show from this time up to this time, so like this. Then click in here, okay, so just change this one, yeah, I want to add this one. Then click in here, okay. Now you have the text. Now if you play the video, you can see that in here you will have the text that is having one animation also. Then the next one is this one, PIP. Suppose that you want to add any photo or the logo of your channel, so in here you will see different options. Suppose that I want to add my logo, so this is the logo of my YouTube channel, so just you can increase or decrease the size of this one. So suppose that I want to add it in here, in this portion. You can add it wherever you want, or you can add it in any corner. So I want to add it in here, this much is okay. In here you will have different animations for that one. Suppose that fade, or you can just slide that one. You can see that it's sliding, so spin, different animations are given. You can select any of them. Just see this one and change the animation that you want. Suppose that I want this one, slide from the upper or left, whatever you want. So I want this one. In here you can change the slide also. If you click once, you will see that it's sliding from bottom to up, up to bottom, right to left, left to right. Just select accordingly. Then I'm clicking this one, okay. Then after that, when I play this one, you can see that the logo is here, the text is here. So the next thing is the voiceover. That would suppose that you have made any mistake during recording of the video, so you can tap this one and you can voice over on this, and you can add your own voice. So I'm clicking this one, okay. And then the next one is this one, audio mixer, that you can mix the audio of the video and voiceover. You can adjust them in here. Then the next thing is the filter, that in here you'll have different filters that you can apply. You can see that I am applying this filter. You can select any of them, so just you can change all of them, any of them that you want. Suppose that this one, whatever you like, so just you can select that one accordingly. Suppose that I want to have this one, so just click on this one, okay. In here you can increase the strength of that one, increase or decrease this one. So I want it to be 100%, then it is okay. Then after that you will have overlays, that you can add different things in here. Suppose that you want to add this one, like it looks like cinema. Then if you want to add any other thing, like different effects are given in here, you can select any of them, bouquet and winter, like snowing. You can apply any of them. Just I don't want to apply this one. Then go back and you can select them. Then the next one is titles, that there are the different titles that you can see that it's having backgrounds also, so you can add any of them that you want. Suppose that this one, so you can add that one. Suppose that you want to write this one, YouTube video, so I wrote this one. Then just click on this one, okay. Then in here you can see that it looks very nice, and you can apply any of these effects to that one. Yes, suppose that, yes, this one, yeah, I want it to be this one. Then just click on this one, okay. Then in here, if you play this one, you can see that you have this text in here, you have that text in there, and the logo will also come in there. You can see that yes, the logo is also in here. Then the next thing is speed of the video. Suppose that you want to increase the speed of the video, or you want to decrease this one, so you can select this one 1/4, or you can just make it fast 4 times. So you can select any of them. Suppose that I want this one, I want to increase the speed by 2x 2 times, so you can select this one. Just I want it to be normal, so I'm selecting this one, then click this one, okay. Then the next thing is rotate, that you can rotate the video like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise, to the right or left, any of them that you want. So suppose that this one, as you can flip this one also, you can flip it horizontally or vertically. So suppose that I don't want to flip this one, just this one is fine, and click this one, okay. Then the next thing is adjust. That in here you can adjust the brightness of this one, you can just increase or decrease the brightness of that one, you can just adjust the contrast of that one. You can see that I'm changing this one. You can increase or decrease the saturation of this video. You can just increase or adjust the sharpness of this video, temperature, and effects are given in here. You can check any of them that you can apply to your video. And in here reset is given, that whenever you want to reset and you don't want to apply any of them, so you can select this one, then just click this one, okay. And then here duplicate is given. Suppose that you want to duplicate this one, so if you want to go back and click this one, okay. Now you can see that I have duplicated this video 2 times, so one is this one is this one. So in here, if I play this video, so you can see that I have duplicated this one. So I'm playing this video, you can see that the logo is here, the text is here, another text was here, and you can see that these videos are combined with each other. So you can see that in here waterfall is there, and after that directly the nature will come, the trees. So you can see that after that this will come. So again, I'm going to this video. Suppose that I explained all of them to you, so you can delete the video also from here. Then just go back. Suppose that you have duplicated this one and you want to delete this one, so just delete this one, okay. Yes, I want to delete this one. So you can see that in here I have 3 videos, so you can just check all of them in here. Yes, 3 videos. Then just click this one, okay. Now you know that how to add text, how to add effect, how to add anything that you want. So the next thing is this one, that you want to add transitions. So just click on here, transitions. Suppose that in between these 2 videos I want to add transitions, so in here different transitions are given. You can select any of them. Suppose that you want it to be like this, or you want it to be to change like this, so you can apply any of them that you want. You can see that it is changing from one video to another video in a very awesome way. So you can apply any of them. Suppose that for this one it is done. Now just click on this one and apply the second one for this one. Now you can see that it is changing like that. So you can apply any of them that you want, sliding from right to left, or like camera roll. You can select any of them, then you can check all of them, okay friends. Just I'm showing you that how to do this one. Then click this one, okay. Now it is done. The next thing is, that's very important, that you can add a music on your video. So just come to here and the music is given, music option. So just click on this one, then in here click on the plus button. Then in here you will see different musics that they are already given. On this one, on this application, you can just check any of them. So you can check any of them, or you can check this one. You can crop this one also. Suppose that you want it to be this much of this music on your video. So you can crop this one from here also, or you can add your own music that you have on your mobile. So I have this music on my phone, so I'm adding this one. So I want to add this one, that I have this one on my mobile, so I'm adding this one. Then just you can see that the music is added, so then click in here. Okay, now if you play this video, you will see all of them. Music, so you can adjust all of them whatever you want, or if you want to add the text in this video also, you can add that one also. Suppose that I want this one, then suppose that you want to add your logo on this video also, so just click on that one and come to here, click this one PIP and click on that one and just add your logo and just try to adjust it somewhere in here. Yes, so just move it up to the end of the video. Yes, you can see that the logo is also there, so you can play that one also. So this was the very important things for making of the videos for your YouTube channel or for anything that you want to make videos. And then here different themes are given, you can select any of them that you can apply. You can select this one. So you can select any of them that you want. Okay, then after that I want to save this one to my mobile screen, so I want to save this one to my storage. Then after that just click on this one, save. Then right now it is saving this video, so just it will take some time because it depends upon the length of the video. If the length of the video is more, so it will take some time, but if the length of the video is less, so it will be exported in very less time and it will be done very quickly. So then just wait for a while. You can see that, friends, it is 99%, yeah, 100% done. Then after that click this one, save to the camera roll. Then it is getting done and it will save this one to your gallery, so it is saved. Then you can directly go to your gallery and open that one. Then in here you can see that the video is given. Then you can see that the logo that I have added, and at the end of the video you will see logo of Filmora, that you can remove that one from any other application. So friends, in this video we learn how to make a video for YouTube channel, how to add text, how to add effects, how to add overlays, how to add music, how to edit, how to trim, how to crop, how to adjust the size. So that was the very simple trick for today. If you learned something new, then give the video a like. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section below. If you want your friends to get this knowledge, so share with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe right now for totally free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, so I will send you a notification and you will not miss any of our new videos. I have 2 other special videos for you in the right side. You can watch them as well. Thank you for watching. A world of gratitude. See you on the next video.